Hello, hello everyone. It's Val. Well, I am so honored to be part of the Graphics Fairy design team. I can't even tell you. And how fun is it to go on the premium site to find the most amazing digital. I'm over the moon. So this is my first project for the design team. This journal I call Holding. I know it might be a little bit of an ambiguous theme, but really that's what a journal does, right? It holds our thoughts, might hold some special little pieces that we want to keep. Well, this is holding, and also on the bottom, I like how it says, so good, holding our breath and then his strength. So to me, that was appropriate. I used quite a few of the printables on the Graphics Fairy. This one, I don't know if you can see that. I was trying to line that up so you can see that. But I used this lady, as you can see. But oh my goodness, so fun. And I also used, can you see this? The Bohemian butterflies. I scattered these throughout the journal. I just love these so much. So I fussy cut these and scattered them. Those are just two of the many images I used from the Graphics Fairy premium site. Okay, so let's get into her. She's got a mica front piece here, which I put with some brass brads. And she's got some collage, of course, on the front, a vintage button, my elastic cord closure with some ceramic beads that I put on. She's got some vintage cloth on her, which I added some labels that I transferred to cloth. This lady, she's so pretty. Look at her. I transferred her to cloth once I printed her off the premium site, and I just thought she was gorgeous. So let's open her up and let's get into holding. And here I created a front pocket with some pieces that I put in from the site, a little tag and a little ticket with some other bits. This I created from the site, as well as this belly band and this little piece. Isn't this adorable? And look at this CD holder. Oh, I love it. You can journal on this side. I used a printable inside out of one of the bundles. I doubled this so you have lots of space to journal in. I used one of the printables here that I made a pocket and put some vellum in the pocket and stitched around it. And it holds a tag. Well, you can see how it comes out. It holds a tag here that I pulled off the site. And also this back piece of the tag was a collage paper that I pulled off the site. It was so easy to be able to collage using that paper. So that was fun. I added some stain papers and vintage papers throughout, but mostly I wanted to highlight what you can pull off the premium membership site. And I even used papers to back my little tags and my journal cards and things like that. Put in pockets. This is a page out of the site that I thought was so amazing. Used some pieces there and some old wallpaper, parchment paper, vintage paper. This is a flip pocket that I created from some of the paper from the site. This so pretty. You can easily journal on that. I created this little tag here from one of the printables and this little tag here too. And I back them with paper from the site that you can get that looks so vintage and old. oh, so fun. And I used just little bits and pieces that I tore because I wanted to use everything. I had so much fun with that. Okay, so we're gonna flip back through. Used another little tag there, which I backed. And there's so many things that you can get on that site. It's just incredible. This is the other side of that that paper from the site, which I have listed. It's been listed. It'll be listed on the blog. But look at this blue daisy print. And here's some more little tags and bits and pieces. Yeah, so fun. So I used some scrapbook paper as well, but I just like a variety of papers. Here's another piece that I made, a side pocket that I made with a journaling card from a postcard. But I put two of the papers off the site together, and I just thought they were perfect for journaling on or putting a photograph on or something like that. And here's another little piece, so sweet. There. And so this journal has 3 signatures. I used a paper here to back this. This is an antique piece. And then I created a little journaling card out of one of the printables from the site. And you can journal on the back of that too. I used every bit and piece that I could. I didn't want anything to go to waste. Here's another printable. And here's another one here that I backed and just put in this little postcard tuck. And if I'm rushing, there's so much to show you, but yeah, I just am excited. So I'm just going to give you a look, all the little pieces that I use. Look at that paper, isn't it gorgeous? And this one as well. And look at this one. I just went crazy. I had so much fun looking through all the stuff on the site, and you can never see everything. It's just, it's amazing. I just like this little speckled paper. I put some lace on the papers. I backed papers with other papers and just made things and collaged and well, anyway, you get the idea. Here's another one. So yeah, little printables that you can use and all kinds of things that you can use. So here's the last signature. Here's that pretty paper there. And oh, look at this. This is so cool. I love this little note paper. And yeah, so I'm rushing because I only have so much time to go through. Oh, this is one of the first ones that I pulled off the site. Oh, I love that. I just love that so much. So yeah, well, you know what, Val, you need to make these not so intensive, I think. I made pockets and tucks. Okay, guys, well, you get to see what all this is here. Sorry, my cord was in the way. Get so excited. And look, I added and stitched. And okay, there you go. There's the end. There's a little cloth belly band, some little bits and pieces there. We did it. Okay, so that was really quick, I know, but okay, guys. Whoops. There we go. All right, we're all done. All right, thank you so much for sharing this with me. And make sure you go to the Graphics Fairy and check it out. It's wonderful. It's amazing, and it's an honor for me to be part of the design team. Thank you. Bye.